As a virtual assistant, a lot of my clients will often send me documents for me to format in Microsoft Word. And sometimes these documents will include a table. And my clients will often do something in the table that I am sure a lot of you also do as well. So I thought I'd share what that is, why you need to stop doing it, and what you really should be doing instead. So if you're ready, let's get started. So here's a basic table in Word. I've not done any formatting apart from just making the titles in bold. That's it. There's nothing fancy to the formatting or anything. It's just simple, basic, straightforward table. The table rows look like they're evenly spaced, right? Well, I now want to align the text so that it's centered vertically in each cell. So if I highlight the rows with the text, click on Table Layout up here at the ribbon at the top, and then this section here, the alignment section, is where I want to choose the centered vertically alignment. So if you hover over each one, it will tell you what alignment it is. So this one here is align center left, centers the text vertically and aligns it to the left hand side of each cell. This is what I want. So if I click on there and doesn't look like much has changed, does it? And this is the reason why. When you want to increase the height of the cells within a table, you probably just keep pressing return, right? And it would just increase the size. That's what my clients do as well, so you're not alone if you do this. But this affects the alignment of the cell itself. As you've just seen, it's not really working. So if I click inside one of these cells, you can see that there are additional returns underneath each of the text in the cells, and that's why it's not centering vertically. So what do you do instead? Well, first let me get rid of all these additional spaces. So now we can highlight the cells again, go back into table layout, and you can see the height has automatically been set at 0.04 centimeters. And all you need to do is simply increase this by using the arrows to the side here, increase it to the height that you want, and as you're doing it, you'll see that the table is actually changing at the same time. So if I set this to 2 centimeters, click off it, so you can see that the text is centered vertically and all the cells are evenly sized. And if you want to add more text into a cell underneath the text that's already there, you can still do that. You can still press return and just type what you want. But the alignment will still be whatever you set it as. And job done. Now, it might come as no surprise to hear that I've got lots of pet hates when it comes to using Microsoft Word. They just make it so complicated. For example, the text changing colour when you click on a hyperlink. Well, if you want to know how to make it stop doing that, then this video will help. Let me know in the comments if you've got any pet hates when it comes to formatting documents in Microsoft Word. I would love to know. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.